How to add Spotify widget to iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can add a Spotify widget to your home screen and also to your lock screen. In this way, we will make it easier to just manage the application without entering it. Let's get started. To add a widget to your home screen, simply hold your finger on the screen until the option to edit it appears. After that, we will tap on the well-known plus in the upper part of the screen. In the pop-up window, an option will open that will offer us available widgets for our screen. We can add Spotify from the selected list, but we will go down in the list and find Spotify. When we find it, we tap on it. In the new window, we can select the variant of the widget that suits us, tap the Add Widget button, and add it to the home screen in that way. Now we will add Spotify to the lock screen. Lower the notification center and hold your finger on an empty part of the screen. When the Customize button appears at the bottom of the screen, tap it. In the next window, select the lock screen option. The section where we can add Spotify is the one below the clock. Tap on it and select Spotify from the list of applications. Tap on the widget, and that's it. This is how we added the Spotify widget to our home and lock screens. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.